Hi, I'm Andrew. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Andrew's Workshop. If you want to see how I turn this boring plain wall into this beautiful built-in reading nook, stay tuned. To save time and cost of materials, I searched Craigslist and Nextdoor for shelving units and cabinets that people were giving away or selling for cheap. Eventually I found these shelving units, and I was able to acquire 3 of them, as well as a small dresser with 4 drawers. Here are 2 of the units after putting them on their back and priming and painting. I removed all the doors and shelves and primed and painted those separately. Here are the 3 shelving units and their approximate locations before installation. To aid in attaching the reading nook to the floor, I framed these wooden bases, which I screwed into the subfloor, doing my best to seek out floor joists. Next, I added the 3 shelving units and the 4-drawer dresser to the wooden bases, and added the shelves and doors. I updated the cabinet knobs from these to these for a more modern look. The remaining space between the shelving unit and the dresser is where I would build a bench with storage. For that, I just measured the width of the opening, which was about 6 feet, and I designed a bench to fit in that space. I purposely built the lid with an overhang to give the user a way to lift up the bench lid and access the storage within. Here's the bench sitting in its final resting place. Notice I left a 3 to 4 inch gap between the bench and the wall. This is to give the bench top with the cushion room to open without hitting the wall. And here it is with the cushion on top. We got this cushion from a local sewing supply store. Attaching this blue fabric was simple. We just had to cut the fabric to about 18 inches longer than the bench lid in each direction. Place the fabric on the floor, then the cushion, then the plywood, and wrap and staple the fabric to the plywood. Then I attached the lid to the box with hinges and added gas strut hinges as well to make the lid soft closing and safer for little fingers. The gas strut hinges can be seen in operation here. I wanted to add trim to the front of the bench and make it look real nice. Here's the design. Here's stage 1 of the trim installed. I added some cove trim here on front. If you like it, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. We also bought these cushions from the sewing supply store. I installed the light as well, and this light switch, which some awesome guys did the wiring for ahead of time. Here it is again, almost done. And here's my honey making the cushion covers. And here is the final product. Let me know what you think.